In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Twitter thread on Hootsuite. Let's dive right in by first understanding what scheduling a Twitter thread on Hootsuite actually means. Essentially, it allows you to plan and post multiple tweets at once, which are connected as replies, forming a thread at a future time. This can be a powerful way to share longer narratives or discussions on Twitter while ensuring higher engagement by timing the posts perfectly. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Hootsuite's website. Here you'll be greeted by Hootsuite's homepage. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This should redirect you to the login page. Now it's time to log into your account. Enter the email address associated with your Hootsuite account in the designated field. Double check to make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, move on to the next field where you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you enter your password accurately. Once you've filled in both your email and password, press the Sign In button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, which is essentially your control panel for managing your social media content. Here, look for the option that says Create a Post. This is where the magic of scheduling begins. Click on Create a Post, and a new window or panel will open up. Here you'll need to select the Twitter account where you want to schedule your thread. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to choose the correct one for your thread. With your Twitter account selected, it's time to start crafting your Twitter thread. Start by writing the caption for your first Twitter post in the space provided. This initial post is critical as it will serve as the introduction to your thread, attracting your audience's attention and encouraging them to read through the subsequent posts. Now here's where Hootsuite sets itself apart from posting directly on Twitter. Instead of clicking Post Now, which would send your tweet out immediately, we're focusing on scheduling. Unfortunately, our instructions don't cover the specific steps to schedule subsequent posts in the thread directly on Hootsuite, but typically this process involves using the scheduling feature to select a future date and time for each part of your thread, ensuring they're posted in the correct order. Remember, the power of a Twitter thread lies in its continuity and the narrative flow from one tweet to the next. Consider the timing between posts. You might want to schedule them a few minutes apart to give your audience time to read and engage with each post without overwhelming them. Lastly, while Hootsuite is an incredibly useful tool for scheduling threads, keeping an eye on your thread after it starts posting is wise. Be ready to engage with any replies or retweets to maximize interaction and reach. And that wraps up our guide on how to schedule a Twitter thread on Hootsuite. By following these steps, you can efficiently plan and execute engaging Twitter threads. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content and scheduling times to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media tools and strategies. Happy scheduling!